Hey everybody, it's your girl Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, I try to follow Makeupshayla's look. Now everyone knows me. So everybody knows makeup gurus are out there to where you can follow along, try to see if you can recreate their looks. And today I love her chocolate gold smoky eye classic holiday with red lip look. I thought that was very pretty of her, and I was just like, let me see if I can follow along for her look. So to crunch down on time, where it's not like I'm in front of the camera forever trying to follow along, I am actually already, well, let me phrase that. I actually already did my face. So we're gonna crunch down on that, and we're gonna take time to pause through some of the video and try to see if we can get to, I'm just trying to fast forward when she starts getting into the eye. So, and for this look, she did use the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I've had this palette for a little bit, and I never really get to use it for anything just because I feel like the palette was one of those where I'm like, ooh. But it's super adorable, super cute, and I'm just gonna make it work today. And it's super cute, who cares? So let's get it started. I think she said the first makeup brush she used was the Sigma E40, which that brush I do have. So some of her products that I don't have, I'm gonna improvise, but that's what it's supposed to be about. You are supposed to find what you have in your collection to make the tutorial possible. So
Too Faced chocolate bar.
let's see what she has to say.
Chocolate gold.
So we're
See how? See? This is why I mess with this palette, because there's a mirror. Just go back and forth in the crease. This is like a really good neutral tone brown. It's not as warm as what I'm used to, but it's like the perfect, like neutral.
see, okay, I don't know what she's talking about because this brown on my eye doesn't exist. I don't see it. I don't see it. Hopefully y'all see it. I don't see it. So now I gotta find a taper brush. So hopefully this will work out just fine. So now she's gonna take tapered in the black.
And then I'll blend it out later with the bigger blending brush. So this is a Sigma E45 brush. I'm really just gonna focus this black color in the deepest part of my crease here. So really blend, blend, blend in the deepest part of the crease, and then I'm gonna kind of bring it out just a little bit, just a tiny bit.
Okay, so she was a little fast. I feel like if that brown would have showed up, it would look super cute. But because I don't have the brown, it's not. It's not.
I'm blending out a little bit more concealer on the lid here, just so that the gold shadow really pops. And you kind of get like a nice little cutout for the crease right there.
And this is actually my Naked concealer, because I don't know. Her concealer looks white. Maybe it's because that's her skin color, but I'm going to take more of my dark, what is this? Dark neutral for mine. And let's see if that works out as well.
Alright, so let's put some of this
brush.
Chocolate gold. Press this bad boy on the lid here. So I'm really kind of just like pressing and patting it on. Kind of like just packing it onto the lid, and make sure when you do this that you're looking down instead of looking straight, because that's like harder because you have to go over your eyelashes. So just look down. That's so pretty.
She moves so fast sometimes, you know, you just feel like, I know they gotta cut it down, and she was talking about how it was super long, but I feel like she brought hers down more to her look like a moon, and mine doesn't look like a moon. Mine does not at all.
I'm just gonna lay it flat. I think I like it because it's super like long, thin. It's not a brush, it's like a sponge tip. And you can kind of just lay it on the eyes. Lay and move. It's really easy to use, especially if liquid eyeliner is a struggle for you. Alright, let's wing this bad boy out. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't like pens, and she's talking about the struggles. The struggle will be real if I try to use a pen, and that's how I feel like it would be. Pens. She's using a Maybelline. I'm going to use my NYX because that is my go-to liner. So, use what you got.
Eye pencil. This is like all about drugstore eyeliners right now. Use an angled brush and kind of press that black eyeshadow.
So she said take an angled brush
over the eyeliner. Now with my small little smudge brush here, I'm going to smudge the shadow under the lash line. You want to put a little bit of like black Decadent eyeshadow on the brush, and then just smudge.
And then she said take a smudge brush. We're not going to dig for it. We're not going to be doing that one. We're going to be doing Maybelline Falsies. We're not going to be doing that one because I love this one a lot.
Lashes. And of course I'm doing false lashes. Like, my top lashes are like the biggest struggle on earth. If you were blessed with good lashes, you could definitely skip false lashes, but I always do falsies. Always.
I feel like this is like moving like super fast, so I have to keep pausing it, and I have to keep going. What am I doing? What am I doing? It's like I gotta talk myself off the ledge. What am I doing? I need to go find some falsies. I'm not gonna lie, this eye did not really work out for me that well. I actually had to take it off, reapply it. It was not working for me, and I felt super bad, but that's just the nature of these games when it comes to mascara wise. And where the freak is my mascara? So, oh, I guess I went a step ahead of time. Now she's doing her blush. So I went ahead, my bad, sorry. So she's gonna just do a slight highlight. So I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and she says that she does 2 highlights, which I have done that before with, you know, just 2, and then she's gonna go in with her thin brush. I'm gonna go in with a little darker gold too, because sometimes the light ones can make me ashy a little bit.
I got time for 1 highlighter. Okay, well actually I'll do 1 highlighter during the day and like 2 at night.
And this is my Morphe fan. She uses a Sigma.
This is a Sigma fan brush. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh.
That is like my hardest color to find is my red, and I know I have one. And sure, we'll say that's the red today. I don't typically do a lot of reds because it's it's just not like an everyday color I can throw on, you know? So I'm going to go with this Slight Red by NYX. This is...
Alright, I'm going to line with Outlaw Lip Liner by Kat Von D. I love her lip liners. They go on so smooth. They're really easy to use. Bomb. Y'all see that? Alright.
Because I didn't get no care package, I'm using the NYX Soft Monte Carlo. It's not as red, it's not as beat, but it'll work.
Kind of like a stain would feel, like that's how light it feels on the lips. See how easy that goes on?
Even though I feel like it also could have been done with my Milani red as well. But I'm going to do this one first and then go over it and see how it works.
Yes, ma'am. This is definitely what you call a holiday look. Oh my god, I love this look. I love the chocolate gold palette from Too Faced with this lip combo.
So all in all, I really like this look. I feel like it's really nice and subtle. Oh my god, but I'm not gonna lie. It takes a lot of pausing. I had some complications. I'm still having some complications here. I feel like yeah, one thing I don't like is the fact that I couldn't follow along for one because the brown in this palette, it was not my shade. It was just not my shade. It was not my shade. It was not my shade at all. So you can see the brown because this brown is hella light. Like for her, it was looking like burnt brown. For me, it was just not looking good. But this brown is super adorable for her. Not for me. But other than that, this palette is super amazing. I don't use it very often because I don't feel like it's a palette I can use all the time. But it was nice to follow along with her to see how she did it. And my face is like glistening because it's like hot in here today. It's like hot in my house. Oh well. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I tried Makeupshayla's holiday look today, and let me guys know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you are new, please subscribe, and if you're on my returning gorgeous loves, thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. Yes I do. Yes I do. So I actually have a big surprise for you guys. I have a guest coming and I cannot wait for her to be here. I'm just kind of like, when's she coming? When's she coming? But yeah, take care of my loves. Mwah.